In this video, we are going to ask the question, is it important to improve the price elasticity of supply? It is desirable for a firm to be highly responsive to the changes in price and other market conditions. This is because a high price elasticity of supply makes the firm more competitive than its rivals and allows the firm to generate more and more revenues and profits because they could be responsive to the market conditions. Because high price elasticity of supply is desirable, it may be necessary for firms to undertake actions that improve their speed of response to changes in market conditions. So, what are those actions can be? The first one is creating spare capacity. So, when there is a sudden rise in price, you can actually supply more immediately in the short run, and using the latest technology, as we have seen and spoken a lot about technology in demand as well as in supply, because technology will increase the efficiency and effectiveness in production, and it would be responsive faster and speedier, and keeping sufficient stocks, and then developing better storage systems and prolonging the shelf life of products. This can be seen as one actually, because shelf life is very important, especially if you look at the pharmaceutical industries where medicines expire and it is dangerous to consume expired medicines. The pharmaceutical companies will actually do shelf life and stability testing in order to how to prolong and how to package it in the best way, to the optimum way of prolonging the shelf life. In that sense, when there is a price increase, they could actually respond to the price increase faster. And developing better distribution system, this is exactly talking about the supply chain, from actually packaging it, storing it, and delivering to the customers. So how can the firms can do a better job in distribution so that they can actually prolong the shelf life of the product, and also providing training for workers so that they have flexibility in doing a range of jobs. So the factors of production, basically the labors, could be mobile, more mobile than before, and they could actually respond to different market conditions. And then locating production near to the market, so in that case they would be able to respond, and also there won't be any lag in transportation and so on. And also allowing inward migration of labor if there is a labor shortage. This is exactly the case of Singapore. When there is high productivity and there is so much of demand, so there is much uh, not so much restricted labor laws in order to allow the foreign workers to come in Singapore and work. So these are the some of the ways that you can actually improve price elasticity of supply. Price elasticity of supply is actually has to be improved by each firm so that they can respond to the changes in market condition faster than their competitors. This would make them more competitive and actually take hold of more market share.